Homepage. Welcome to Cryptomus. This is the Cryptomus homepage. Our platform offers two solutions: accept payments in cryptocurrency for business and get a convenient wallet for personal use. With our service, merchants can invoice in fiat or cryptocurrencies. The first option is convenient because the means of payment is more familiar to people, and payers decide themselves in what currency to send money in. The second option is a standard type of payment. Now let's look at the next block, where we offer solutions for online services, e-commerce, high-risk projects, Telegram bots, online schools, and gaming services. If you need customized processing tools, our development team is ready to review the task and find a solution. The next block is just for that. Leave your contacts and we'll get back to you with the response. You can integrate the Cryptomus payment gateway into your website by API, SDK tools, and shopping cart plugins. You can get more information about shopping cart plugins here. PrestaShop, WooCommerce, OpenCart, and WHMCS plugins are currently available. Shopify, Shopware, and other plugins are currently in development as well. There is a referral program in our system. Invite users and earn interest on your income. More information can be found in a personal account. Sign up. Let's get started with sign up. We click sign up and get to the form. Sign up is available by email and phone number. If you want to remain completely anonymous, even for us, sign up using Tunkeeper or Telegram. More non-custodial wallets will be added here in the near future. Shall we try doing it through Tunkeeper together? Open Tunkeeper, then the QR code scanner. Scan the code that appears in the sign-up form. Done. The next step is to install an authenticator app. This is how we implement two-factor security to protect your funds. After you set up two-factor authentication, you get to the main page of the personal account, or more specifically, your personal wallet. Here, you can see your balances, switch from a daytime theme to a nighttime theme, check the notification center, which displays information about deposits, withdrawals, and other operations, switch languages. English and Spanish are available at the moment. German and French will be available soon. Manage settings, to which we will get to a little later, and sign out using a special button. To receive a payment, click on Receive. Choose a currency, for example, USDT, and then choose the network in which the transaction will be performed. Done. To send the funds, click on Withdraw. Select the currency, enter the recipient's address, select the network, and enter the amount you want to send. By the end of 2022, we'll add in wallet currency conversion and stacking, and by the end of the first quarter of 2023, we'll add P2P exchange. It'll be interesting. Creating a business wallet and merchant account. Let's create a merchant. To do this, click the Create Merchant button. Let's give it a name. Here, for convenience, we set the name of the project or the URL of the site. Now we need to choose the integration method. The payment by link method allows you to create a payment link. It is suitable, for example, for freelancers. Set the amount. Choose how you would like to be paid, fiat or crypto. If you choose fiat, you don't need to set invoice currencies. The payer can choose the cryptocurrency for the payment. Choose the time for which the link will be valid for payment. Done. Send the link to the buyer to receive a payment by invoice. Let's take a look at the payment form. Here you can see the payment amount, the invoice validity time, the number of validated blocks, the address to accept, and the QR code. Let's make the transaction. We see that block confirmations have reached the required number. The invoice has been successfully paid. Let's check the balance of the merchant account. Great! We received coins. Now let's try to transfer them to a personal wallet. Click Transfer. Select the currency, enter the amount, and send it. Success! Now, if you go back to your personal wallet, you can withdraw money to any other wallet. If you integrate the API, then the automated withdrawal is available directly from the merchant account without using personal wallet. Let's create a new merchant account to discuss API integration. We are looking at a form where we have to fill in information about the project in which the service will be integrated. We do not work with projects that violate the law, so moderation on our part is required. To learn more about integration, check out the API documentation here. You will find everything you need to work with our API here. But if you still have questions, please contact our support team. Functionality of the merchant account. Let's go back to our merchant account and look at its functionality. In history, we can see the history of transactions, their status, method, currency, commissions, address, and hash are depicted. Also here, you can make a refund if necessary. There are filters and a search function where you can enter the address of the wallet, for example. The Statistics tab shows total turnover, conversion, and currency percentages. The statistics can be filtered by period. The Settings tab stores our token for generating invoices via API. Auto Convert is a feature for each individual merchant account. If you switch a toggle, all transactions in the selected currency will be automatically converted to USDT at the current exchange rate. This will protect you from volatility and simplify your work with cryptocurrencies. In the Commissions section, you can see the minimum amounts to receive and withdraw. We remind you, if you want to reduce the amount of commissions, contact support where we will revise the terms of cooperation. Settings. Let's move on to the settings of the personal account. In the left block, you can see the settings of security, auto withdrawal, notifications, management of trusted purses, account deletion, and referral program. Let's start in order. Under the Security section, you can set each notification type to a specific source and add methods for two-factor authentication, enable authorization through third-party apps and wallets, or disable authorization sessions in your personal account. Under Auto Withdrawal, you can add wallet addresses for withdrawals and assign them by time intervals or amount. Let's try to add an address. Choose Currency, Network, and enter the wallet address to which withdrawals will be made. Enter the amount at which the function will be triggered. The next item allows you to set time intervals, 1 hour, 4 hours, or 24 hours. Let's choose 1 hour. Done. Now your funds are protected even better. If you go to the notification settings, you can see their flexible configuration. Assign a specific type of notification to a specific source, email, SMS, or Telegram bot. The section with Trusted Wallets allows you to configure withdrawals so that the wallet addresses to which withdrawals are made or IP addresses from which API requests are sent are strictly limited. In the Account Deletion section, everything is simple. Here, you can delete the account. If you go to the Referral Program section, you can get a personal referral link. If a merchant registers under your link, we will share our profit with you. Above all these sections, next to Personal, you can find the Business section. Here, you can find an API key, which allows you to make withdrawals directly from your merchant account without any need to transfer money to your personal wallet. You can find more info in the API documentation. That was an overview of Cryptomus.com. There are a lot more interesting things to come. Subscribe.